In the Drawing Academy Art Competition, you can win a lifetime drawing course membership, which comes with 46 video lessons, multiple bonuses, and unlimited personal support from the Academy tutors. This support includes your artwork's critiques, advice on how to improve your drawing skills, and answers to your art-related questions. The Drawing Academy Art Competition runs every 3 months. To enter this competition, simply submit your artwork and tell about yourself, your art, and what you want to learn in the Drawing Academy course. This competition is democratic as winners are voted for by the public. There are many ways to get votes. Ask your friends, relatives, and followers to help you. Share your competition page to attract visitors and ask them to click the social network buttons. You can make a short video about your art and we will publish it on our YouTube channel. If people like your artwork and story, they will vote for you. A winner is awarded at the end of each competition round on the May 31st, August 31st, November 30th, and February 28th every year. This time, the winner may be you.